The Cadillac Lyriq is a cool-looking electric vehicle from an American automaker, established GM. Cadillac. Didn't think I'd be saying that. They put a video out. This is the one. This is the premium one, Will. This is, you're going to pay a few dollars for this one. But check out the front end on this thing. Very futuristic, very elegant. And I actually like an upcoming clip here. It's all very nighttime. It's all very moody. Look at that right there. You go back a few frames. Look at the front end. What's going on with the headlights? Is that the future? Is that Tron? What is it? So cool. It's got a pretty cool look to it. It's going to be their luxury, full luxury electric crossover. It'll go on sale in 2022. It's going to be about the size of a Cadillac XT5. And they say there will be some changes in the production version, but they're 80 to 85% there. It'll be able to do 300 miles of driving with a 100 kilowatt battery using their next generation EV platform with the Ultium electric powertrain. The car maker also said the Lyriq is compatible with 150 kilowatt DC fast charging and level 2 charging rates up to 19 kilowatts. You can get it in rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. And they say they're going to redefine American luxury. So they say, and they say it in that exact way. And if you look at the interior, I think you could admit that's pretty cool and luxurious.
Oh, yeah.
It's a massive 33-inch single-piece LED across the front dash. Look how cool that looks. Yeah, man, it wraps all the way around. Wow, and the symbol in the middle of the steering wheel is glowing as well by the looks of it. Yeah, scroll to the next image. Let's look through a few of these. It's all very low and lean. It's hard to make an SUV, a small SUV like that, look cool. Like, people might get mad at me, but I'm just going to say it right now. The Model X doesn't do it for me.
No.
Have you seen? Did you see the Model X
seen it, yeah.
around? It's a little too bubbly. It's something about the lines. It just kind of looks too much like a van.
Yeah,
I don't know. I don't know. It looks good with the wing doors upwards. It looks good like that. But look at the gray one over there. The Wikipedia image. Do you see what I mean? It just
it's very like a turtle. It's got like a
turtles aren't fast, and that thing is insanely fast. It's an incredible vehicle. There's something about the shape of it that just it's too curvy and not angular enough for my taste. All right, I mean, the Cybertruck is obviously the exact opposite of that.
Yeah,
and so I really I was never the biggest fan of the Model X for that reason. But you go to look at the Lyriq, and it kind of has something going for it, Will. The shape of it. Now, granted, you have these tiny little windows that have to be squished to create that shape. So I don't know what the interior space probably takes a hit. But it's just got a kind of really cool look to it. So shout out to Cadillac. I love competition in this space. I love the move to the high-tech vehicle. I love the move to the vehicles becoming tech in general. Yes, we're going to have to wait until 2022. But apparently these things are going to be put together, a lot of it by hand. Very luxurious. I'll be excited to check that out once it actually becomes available. We'll bring it to the new studio, Willie Do. What do you say? What do you say?
Let's do it.
All right.